In order to carry out an airstrike, you first need to have it as a weapon option. So go to your weapon screen, which you can get to from the ship, and also at the beginning of the start menu on some maps. Up at the top, you'll see your power-up sections, and they'll probably all be empty. If you don't see this, then you just need to play the game more in order to unlock this option. So you'll click on your empty slot, and then these are all your options. It will only let you do it once. So in other words, I can't buy 2 or 3 airstrikes or 2 or 3 of anything else. So click on the one you want, click buy, and now you've got it as an airstrike. To do an airstrike, you can do it from either the combat view or tactical view on some maps, but not all maps. We were having difficulty getting around this corner, so I switched to tactical and then moved up high enough to see where I wanted to place the blue marker. And once I saw that, you need to go to your inventory, page over to the power-up page, which is on the bottom. Choose airstrike. Make sure that the blue marker shows the direction that you want it to take place at, and then just wait. And there you have it. To place an airstrike from the combat view, choose inventory, go to your second tab, choose airstrike, set the marker where you want it to take place, and then just wait for it to happen. And notice that you can be really close to it. It's not going to kill you.